welcome back to another YouTube video. On this YouTube video, I'll just be doing some Plane Crazy gameplay. Okay, let's just load up Plane Crazy. Loading up. Please just load up a little bit quicker. Thank you. Okay, so recently I've made this new build. It's my German army, and I'm just gonna go and reload it because that's the unfinished one. I'll just go to let's just go to PvP mode first, and then. Okay, so we're in PvP mode now. So now we can. Okay, we're gonna skip the loading bit there. Okay, now let's load the full version. Okay. But today we're gonna actually try. I've decided we're gonna try and make the fastest boat in the game. Okay, so let's just go to where is it? Okay, let me just find it. There we go. I'll show you the full version of my German army. As you can see, I think it's press R to make the flag work. There we go. The flag's just folding up. As you can see, if I just go to, okay, I just flipped them. Anyway, let's focus on that in the build of the video, shall we? Nice, nice bomber, whoever that person is. I'm just gonna put. Okay, so so let's try and make the fastest boat ever we can possibly make. This is gonna be really fast boat because I want to try. I'm trying to break world record speeds in Plane Crazy, so I'm gonna try and make the world's fastest boat in Plane Crazy. Well, maybe not the world's fastest. Maybe in the UK's most fastest boat. Okay, so because you might know, I don't know if you know this or not, but I do live in the UK, but I'm not going to tell you my exact location because that's just giving my personal information, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, so we're going to make this boat just about that. As you can see, making the nose of this boat, and let's try and make the world's fastest Plane Crazy boat. It's probably going to be about that long. Sure, we're going to have to leave that bit out because we're going to put some super rocket engines in there. Rocket engine, super rocket engine. Okay. That's a lot of super rocket engines of mine, so yes. Now let's put on and off mode on. Copy. B, and V. Okay, next we're gonna people with ships, I don't know. Okay, because I see some things in the chat with like ships and stuff, so I'm just gonna go and put the couple of I'll put the couple of blocks back and just put a couple there. Okay, next I'm gonna go to I'm gonna put some beams down, just there, and then just put some blocks just at the end there. So yeah, we're trying to make the world's. So let's see if we're going to be successful making the world's fastest Plane Crazy boat. Let's hope so. That is a lot of super rocket engines. So yeah, now let's go to the water propellers. Let's just get some 1 by 2. These fit. Okay, let's try 3 by. Let's just try regular water propeller. Water propellers are not going to really matter that much. It's just there for some decoration. And it'll just make it go a little bit faster, but probably not by much though. So Okay, so now we're gonna put some. Why was I gonna put wings on it? Oh, of course, yeah. Okay, so we're not gonna put. Let's put some little wings on there just to make it look quite cool. So we'll just put 2 at the back. I don't know, just to make it look cool. Well, I'll do. Why not? Okay, just put a delta wing at the front. Right, let's try 3x3. Delta wing. Put on there. And let's put one there. Okay, so I just put those wings on it just to make it look cool. And now let's just put some just here. There we are. Just that. No, oops. Okay, I didn't realise I was using delta wings then. So remember, this is not a tutorial. I'm not guaranteeing you this is gonna work. I'm just trying to make. This is like a trying to make video. Try to make the world's fastest play crazy boat. This person looks interested in my boat for some reason. Okay, so okay, let's put main pilot seat down, but that's one of the most vital components of boats. Well, anything in play crazy, more like them. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna put a rocket engine, just a regular rocket engine, because there's super rocket engines just there for secret. They're not really there to be shown. So yeah. Okay, let's just put on and off mid one. Let's just see how fast this thing goes in the first place. Quite fast too. Yeah, but okay, I'll definitely, let's go to water and see how well that goes in the water. Okay. Whoa, whoa. I just take off as the wings, okay. Okay, let's put a ballast block. Let's put some ballast blocks at the front. If there's any noobs watching this video, you might not know what the ballast blocks do. They just weights basically. So we're gonna put some weights at the front to stop it from doing this. Let's just put that max weight, I think, but no, 10, I think. 1, 2, there. Copy and paste. Why didn't that work? Copy, paste, and paste. Okay. Okay, maybe that's a little bit too heavy. Let's just try 555 at the front. So, like half of its weight. So let's just put 5, copy, B, and V. Okay, so don't ask me why I like to say V for that bit. Okay, that just goes into water for some reason, so I'm definitely gonna have to put. Let's try 1, 1, 1. That combination. Oh, okay. But it's not a tutorial. This is a actual. This is just a trying to make video, not a how-to video. Copy and paste. Actually, why didn't I just copy, paste, and paste? Okay, so that's done. Whoa, that's a really fast boat. Okay, so now let's make a way of steering this. So, let's go to propellers. Let's just put some small propeller engine in it this time to steer. Because A, I forget on mode has to be on. Okay. For some reason it was tilted on its side. I don't know why. There must be a reason for that. Nothing looks like a basic tilt on its side. Let's see if it just... Wow, and that just flies like... Okay, let's make some more let's put some more powerful propellers. Let's try some hover thrusters. I don't know if they work or not, but let's try. Okay, so let's put a D, no, A. I don't think that's not enough mode for hover thrusters. So A and D. Don't know if it's gonna work or not, but okay, it's like just the world faster plane crazy building. How are we gonna make it turn first? Okay, so pull up. Daddy? Daddy?
Yeah?
Shit, no.
I thought
Okay.
you were videoing.
I am video. But I've made the world's fastest.
It looks very fast.
It is fast, that's the thing. It's the world's I introduced to the you audience the world's fastest plane crazy boat. Okay, so let's just wait for it to tilt back this way. Okay, so let's try out. As you can see, it's very fast. Okay, let's try crashing into that person. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, so we're not going to save this because I've already got loads of save slots. Okay, so let's get HMS Roblox. So you might have seen that in one of my other videos. Yeah, it's one of my biggest ships. It doesn't work the best. It works alright, but it's probably my biggest ship. Okay. I don't know why it's got that weird noise on, but what the good thing I made with this ship is you can actually ram into people with this ship. I don't know why it's making that weird noise, but okay, let's just have to live with it. My biggest battleship. Okay, let's get a bit of a faster boat. Okay, so let's try boat 2. It's one of my best ones probably. It's more like a torpedo boat, just one. I just went right past it. Oh yeah. It's my fastest attack boat. My fastest boat. That's my fastest boats probably. Apart from the one we just made, but yeah. Okay. Okay, it's probably my fastest boat out of all of them. This guy's pretty fast to be fair with you. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, this boat is very fast. Probably my best attack boat. It's good for ramming because I put cutters at the front. Okay, let me show you. Smart. That person made a really smart boat. Even added torpedoes. Oh, that's pretty cool. This boat's gonna be really hard to steer though. It's not my. Some people might say use more wedges on this. It's probably one of my favourite boats. So I'm just gonna. As you can see, it's here. It's lived well. I'm just gonna add a couple more. I'm gonna make a new way of turning boats. That looks pretty cool, but sometimes people make these really detailed builds, but they don't actually exist. Let's put some super rocket engines. Make it go a hell of a lot faster, so let's put on an off mode on that as well. Okay, but let's just get the grey colour. Okay, so now I'm gonna make this boat steer. Let's put some propellers at the front. Let's get a rocket. Let's get a propeller. Put some giant propeller. Yeah. Put one there. And put one there. I think the pattern's D-A-A-D. Okay, so let's do D-A. Mode on. Okay. A-D. No, it's pretty cool, whatever that is. Seriously. What are those? What is that thing? What are those? Ah, pig. No, this big map thing must be fast. See how well this goes now. It seems to be a bit better. Faster and quicker. Daddy?
Yeah.
Actually, no, of course not. Okay, this is my fastest boat out of all of them. It can stay floated even if it doesn't have its, even if it's got one rocket engine. My fastest boat out of all. I'm gonna save it like that. I didn't know how to spell boat when I was at that time, so yeah, this is my fastest. This is my fastest patrol boat. Definitely need to make it. And it can sink as well. Right, let's try and make this boat a little bit faster because I don't think it's fast enough for me. So let's make it double times the speed it is right now. So. Definitely a lot faster. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going very fast. Let me just check how long I've done the video for. Okay, I'm coming to the end of this video now. So yeah, okay, bye. I have run out of time now. So okay, goodbye for now.